Hello, Grade 10 Careers. We are in the final stretch of the careers course. All we've got left is Unit 7, which we're going to discuss now, Unit 8, Unit 9, and then we're done. So without further ado, let's get moving. Unit 7. We have just finished our resume and our cover letter. That was Units 5 and 6. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take that and we're going to progress to doing practical skills around interviewing for a job. We are going to make this a very worthwhile process for you guys. I've done a lot of interviews in the job I was before I was a teacher. I hired and fired and did a ton of these interviews. So I think that this is something that's very worthwhile for us to go through. The unit will close with us actually doing a one-on-one interview, me being the employer, of course, and you being the person that's being interviewed for the job. There's a rubric for that. On the website, you can use it. This is the rubric I will be using to mark the interview. And then I've also put some sample interview questions for you that you can use to get ready for preparing your answers. Okay. If you don't take this seriously, if you're coming in, you're slumping down in your chairs, that's up to you. Your mark is your mark. If you want to get something worthwhile out of this, I'm going to take it seriously, and I would hope that you do as well. So when we go into the unit, the first thing that it asks us to do is it asks us to go through the seminar. This is your seminar right now. I'll also be doing the seminars in class where we'll discuss some of the practice interview questions and some of the best communication skills. We're then going to prepare for the interview. There's a bunch of videos that are here. I have put those videos on the website. So if you come to the website, all those videos are posted for you. The second is an assignment called the pitch. In the pitch, you're going to write this thing about the pitch, but a pitch is basically, if I was trying to pitch something, I'm trying to sell it. I'm trying to pitch an idea. I'm trying to put it out there and see if I can get somebody to nibble. So this assignment right here takes you how to put yourself together a pitch for a very common question in interview. Are you a team player? Okay. The key thing about a pitch is you are selling yourself. The question you have to ask is, who are you selling yourself to? If I was selling Nike shoes, I wouldn't sell myself to a 90-year-old person. I'd be selling myself to a teenager, somebody that buys Nike shoes. When somebody's asking you for a team player, you want to know, is this somebody that's hiring for McDonald's? Is this somebody that's hiring for a sports check? Is this somebody hiring for Home Depot? Who is this person? What are they looking for? What kind of a team player are they looking for? So make sure that when we're preparing our pitch, we're not just telling somebody randomly that we like horseback riding and long walks on the beach. When we pitch ourselves, we need to pitch ourselves specific to that job. And I'll be looking for that when I mark this exercise. Just a quick pitch, 3-4 sentences, but make it effective, make it specific. The last thing you're going to do is we are going to go through this interview process. Once you're done with this unit guide, once you've finished your pitch, you've watched the videos, you've identified the job that you want to apply for, that I am going to interview you for, okay, you're going to hand this back to me, and then we are going to book a time, whether it be floor time or at the end of a seminar. We are going to book a time for you to sit down, and I'm going to interview you one-on-one. Again, the rubric that you'll be using for that is this right here. So if you're not sure what you need to do effectively in the interview, you can always go to this, and I'll also be having seminars. Short one, but a good one. Let me know if you have any questions.